Good morning, plumbers. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. Even though I'm 4 days late, this is my first film of the year, and I couldn't be more stoked for 2020. The number in itself sounds super cool, and I know we're going to have a great year. And I also want to thank you all for making this possible. You guys tune in, follow our journey, me training my two sons, everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, the ugly, and just everyday life. So I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to continuing this work and trying to inspire some young plumbers out there. With that being said, for today's plumbing adventure, we're going to stop back at a sewer line that we inspected 2 or 3 weeks ago. It was jetted, cleaned, and blown out, and since then has been working fine. The owner wants a peek, so we're going to go there and hit it with the camera and take a look-see. He wants to see what's happening, and we're going to oblige and do it. So we'll see you there. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere, right? Alright, you guys might recognize this sewer clean out. Oh, it's very busy inside too, so no water's holding. Let's go take a look-see. Let's get the camera out. Let's keep this up. There we go, boys and girls. Look at this. Right out of the gate, we got a fly. Well, I'm glad to see there's nothing in here. Oh, is that my fly? Come back here, fly. Alright, here's our 45. We're all clear to here. Boom. Make that turn. Here's the other Y, which is, we believe, is dead. Off to the right there. Always a little sag right here. Here's some toilet paper. Still a sag there. And we're going through. And I gotta clean my camera. There it goes. And we're coming down. Boom. We're 50 feet out. A little bit of water. But so far, no debris. No toilet paper. No obstructions. Let's clean the camera while we're here. Boom. Done. Well, I can tell you right now, the boys are going to be happy when I pass this report over, because right now we're 75 feet out. We're looking good. Nice and good. 100 feet out. But I do see a water line up high, so maybe that's from the old blockage. Let's see if we can get a flush going here. We're waiting for somebody to flush in here. It's going to happen because it's very busy today. Come on now. We're 100 feet out. A little bit of water right here. I'm going for it. A little bit of water. Uh-oh. Here we go. 105 feet out. It's holding water. A little saggy waggy. There's some toilet paper. Let's see if we can pop through this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. 115 feet out. Let's bring her home. Now we have this whole pipe marked out in the parking lot, so you can see the water line up top. I'm waiting for someone to flush. Now it's flushing. We're 50 feet coming back now. And this has been a problem child since day one. Here's one of our sags. As you can see, this is an area where stuff can get hung up and cause a clogged sewer. Now we're back in the 45, we're 30 feet out. Bring it home to daddy right here. The situation's going on here. I think it was. Well, I'll ask. Here we come. No one's flushing toilets on me, which I can't believe it. Here she comes. Well, there you have it. They're looking pretty good right there. I didn't want to force my camera out past 115. They know they got to change the line because it looked really clean. And I'm actually going to look back on an old film and maybe throw a comparison shot into it before and after shot. Which that's what's great about filming. It's all documented, so which is great for everybody. Homeowners, customers, and third parties. Anyway, everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you at the next one. 2020, baby. It's here.